Hello food lovers and welcome to another custom grill video. This week we'll be making an Asian style flank steak. This is a beautiful Aberdeen Angus flank steak, and all that I do to it is trim up any extra fat pieces and slightly score it with a sharp knife. Next thing we have to prepare is a glaze that I like to brush on only for the last 2 minutes of grilling. For the glaze add chopped garlic, chili and ginger. Then add sesame oil, soya sauce and brown sugar. When it's reduced by a half, move it over to indirect heat to make room for a steak. Grill the steak over direct heat for 3 to 4 minutes per side. After 3 minutes, turn the steak on the other side and start glazing it. When the steak is seared perfectly on both sides, quickly turn it around a few more times and brush it with a glaze. Wow, this is exactly what we want. Perfect sear and caramelization from the glaze. And yes, don't forget to rest the steak for at least 5 minutes. And then you can slice it. Brush on some more of that delicious glaze. Add salt. Sesame seeds. And some spring onions. And now all you have to do is enjoy the steak. So this is it, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Cheers!